Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I filmed this eyeshadow tutorial today. So I filmed an eyeshadow tutorial using this little baby right here. This is the Profusion Bare Eyes eyeshadow tin, and I got it from Target yesterday. It does look like this. I love the color schemes. Looking at it, it does look very basic, but the shadows in here are really pigmented. They blend out very nicely, and also they build up very nicely. I used almost all the shadows in this tin except for 3, I believe. I didn't use Silky, Beam, Glitter Rock, or Doll. All the other shadows I did use. I will have them all on the screen as I'm using them. I love Profusion Cosmetics eyeshadows. I feel like they're really underrated. I don't hear anybody talking about them. They're a very good drugstore brand, and you can find them at Target. For the glitter shadow that I used on my lid, I did use the Ulta glitter shadow in Tubular. It's a really nice champagne sort of shadow. Everything else on my face I will have listed down below. If you guys want a new like face routine or a contour routine or like all-in-one sort of face routine, let me know in the comments down below and I will try to get to that. I'm sorry you guys, I know this intro seems really rushed and kind of all over the place, but I'm just going to end it right here, take some pictures, and get out the door. Thank you so much for clicking on my tutorial. If you guys are new here, my name is Trish. I know, I'm sorry, I'm so rude. I should have said that at the beginning of the intro, but I'm all over the place this morning. If you guys like the tutorial or you like my content, please subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit like if you like this tutorial. And I hope you guys have an amazing day. So if you guys want to see how I created this glitter cut crease, then just keep on watching.